So here is SmartGym app, gym and home workout. So you can just tap get to install it, double click to install, and yeah, here you have that. Achieve your goals faster than ever. #1 health and fitness app in over 30 countries. One of Apple's favorite Apple Watch apps for 2 years in a row. Best Apple Watch apps for health and fitness. So this is an app which is getting a lot of app awards, App Store, Apple awards. It doesn't have that many ratings though, as you can see, but it's making it highs in the charts. No matter which equipment you have available, SmartGym will always give you the best workout possible, personalized just for you and what you have. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve endurance, or just have fun, SmartGym has you covered. If you're a beginner, SmartGym will help guide and give you all the confidence you need to start working out. If you're already experienced, SmartGym will give you all the right tools in order to better manage your workouts and track your progress. So yeah, here you have the app, SmartGym. Then you can just tap continue. You just select your experience level, equipment, goals, duration, days of the weeks. And then there is special offer, 7 days free trial, and then $60 per year. And then, so there is iPhone app and there is Apple Watch app. And then, it's the advantage of this app that it's available on iPhone and it's available on, also on Apple Watch. It's great to sync, so that's actually quite cool. Here you can just tap explore. You can see a history. You can see measures. You can see SmartGym. You can see routines. And then you can sort, you can hide images, you can create a new routine by adding and setting up each exercise individually. So yeah, and then you can just tap start. And then you can just start workout. And then you can just see those like here. And then you can see all the stats, and then you can see exercise progress. So yeah, kind of like that. And the cool thing, you can also have it on Apple Watch. So that's fun. So yeah.